But we came back into the high school, right into this very room, in the fall of 2011, and suddenly people were asking, can you make a sign for us? And we said, yes, we'd be happy to do that.
Hello, my name is Diallo. I'm a former student from Detroit Community High in 11th grade. As far as working with the Brightmoor Makers, I'm a woodworker and a clothing designer, which is called working in clothing brand. When you find something that you are really good at, you can take it to the heart. Like, you can take it personally, you can take it as your own business, you can take it as being an entrepreneur. Because it's not always easy doing something that you never once thought you could do once you put your mind to it.
Makerspace was designed for citizens of Detroit, more specifically Brightmoor.
This is helping Detroit kids become more than just what everybody thinks Detroit. So for the most part, when we travel places, when we go to Chicago, North Carolina, they're like, oh, you from Detroit, and then they just automatically think you in the gang and stuff like that. But when they come here, they see beautiful signs and the beauty that's hidden in Detroit.
This is our passion. We love doing it. And if somebody needs help, I would love to help them. That's pretty much what it is. This is Mr. Eddie's dream to do when he was younger. He wasn't able to fulfill his dream. So he invited us in on his dream, and I just wanted to, I'm sorry, I'm getting pushed on. I just want his dream to be fulfilled because he wasn't able to do it, and we're bringing it to him, and every time we do something amazing, he's just like, oh my God, you guys are living my dream.
I remember walking through those two doors right over there, and at that time, Kyle and Lachey were standing in the wood shop. Suddenly it struck me when I saw them, oh my God, these two young people are fulfilling my dream. Please come visit us in the Brightmoor Maker Space. Let us work together. Let us build the future community. Thank you. See you soon.